Hello everyone, I am Liana with Music Academy International, and guess what? I decided today to start a new series on Czerny Opus 599. So this Czerny 599 is for actually for beginners. Is the first Czerny that you could learn. As you know, I do consider the practice of scales, Hanon and Czerny are the foundation of how to play the piano. So when you do this consistently during time, I still do Czerny at this moment in time, you know, that's how the progress, it will be on the right direction, you know. Anyhow, so you do have on the playlist, my decision is based on the fact that I did do before a series of Czerny Opus 299, that is agility and speed, and I could see that not everyone is quite there, so that's why I'm backing off a little bit and I'm starting with 599. So again, 599, the first 10 studies are mostly for side reading, so don't focus on the finger number, focus how it goes up, stepping or skipping up or down or whatever it is. Obviously you might not be a good reader when you are at this level, so don't focus on the fingers, please. I would suggest you to erase the fingers numbers from there. It would be easier. So that is my suggestion. Another suggestion for this first series of 10, it would be to take one hand at a time, you know, and practice a couple of times, and then left hand couple of times, and then put it together. And now that being said, let's start with the practice of it. Hello everyone. Obviously I'm back with number 9. So what's happening to number 9? I will play it, but number 9, new thing is here because left hand is going to have more chords, okay, in which I will talk about. But first let me play it, metronome at around 70, and this would be my quarter note. Just for the heck of it. Good. So right now left hand moves. So let's talk a little bit about this. So first of all, I'm going to start with the left hand because the right hand is just C major chord. We've been doing that before in the other one, so it's nothing there that you would not know. By this time, I think you will know all the C, D, F, G notes. So definitely, if you know them, please erase with the pencil, you know, cover up all the fingering that are there and try to read them as they are, or just calculate if it's a skip or so. So you will start really know them, which one is which. Okay, the left hand right now, I'm just gonna talk about how to play a chord. So try to have a very loose wrist, right? Don't play it like that. It's really bad, right? Or this. Oh, this is even horrible, more horrible. I hate to see that. And I hope you're not the one to doing it. So just, you know, very bouncy, very limp, very limp. You see, it's very limp, right? You can use 1, 3, 5 and then go into the G major with 1, 3, 5, moving these two down here, B, D, G. Or, so it's correct even like that, it's correct like that as well. It's up to you however you want to do. mostly my students, they will still go 5, 3, 1 because on the right hand you have 1, 3, 5. So it's matching it nicely, and then here goes 5, 3, 1. So whatever you feel comfortable, it's up to you. Next, we're having a G chord, right? Again, relax your wrists, so don't stay stiff there. And then we're having this one, right? And then, so from the G major, you go into the C major, and then you even go in the G7, that you're moving from here to here, right? So you see that? G stays the same, and you're just coming up. So you can see, skip, skip, skip. I'm moving up, and then moving up, and back to the C, right? So this is all that is there. On the right hand, in my book, it's saying to switch the finger, you know, on the D. You can do it or you cannot do it. It's true that when you are more advanced, we don't quite play the same note with the same finger. You know, if it's a repetition, you know, of the same note, it's very easy to do something like that. But for as right now, if you are uncomfortable to do that, that's fine. Just play, stay in the C position. In the future, we will change the finger when you play same note like that, you know. We will do that, but we will do more exercises about that. All right? So thank you so much for watching. I'm very happy to that you're watching it. And definitely you will make me very happy to hit that beautiful like button and subscribe and notification bell, and do make me some comments. Yes, I love it. That's it. That's all you need to do, because that will make me very happy. I have so many views and not as many subscribers. I don't know, maybe people, they don't want to subscribe. I have no idea. But thank you so much for the love and consideration and appreciation. Okay, see you to number 10.